Precision engineered for an exact fit, AVS In-Channel Ventvisors are made to enhance the look of your 2019 to 2020 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500 Crew Cab, adding subtle style while maintaining the functionality you want from a side window deflector. Their sleek profile helps keep rain out and lets fresh air in to promote circulation and reduce the buildup of interior heat. You'll have less wind noise and mirror fogging and stay cooler when parked in the sun. Installation is a breeze, with no drilling or special tools required. The In-Channel's patented design easily secures into the window channel or along the rubber seal with pre-applied 3M automotive-grade adhesive, giving you an attractive custom fit. Absolutely no tape touches your vehicle's finish. Proudly produced in the USA, all AVS vent visors are made of a higher grade acrylic material than most, which means they hold their smoke color and are just the right thickness to be strong yet flexible.